Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elmarie and today I will be preparing a nice juicy delicious brown stew fish with rice and peas. I love brown stew fish and I know a lot of Jamaicans love brown stew fish, so let's get started. So guys, I bought these lovely yellowtail snapper at the fish market, and I decided to use these to make brown stew fish. The fish is already gutted, but I have to put my touch to it, so I have to re-clean these fish and wash them with some vinegar and things like that. So now I will be cleaning my fish. I'm just removing the excess scale from the fish, or the leftover scale. It's not nice when you have to be eating the fish and scaling it with your finger at the same time. So now that I clean these fish, I will just trim them a little bit. I don't like these parts on it. This side, but after which I will dry the fish, and while I'm doing this I will just set the frying pan to be heated. I'll give the fish a gore to the side, just like that. Some people give it one, some give it two. I'm giving it one. So in this bowl I have some salt and pepper and some fish seasoning. So I will just put it in the gore of the fish where I make the gore here. I'll just put it there. And also I will put some inside the fish as well. Okay, there we have it. Trying to make this fish juicy and delicious. Now I have the frying pan here heated, so I will add some cooking oil. So to serve with this brown stew fish, I am doing some rice and peas to serve with the fish. So I went ahead and I already cooked the peas here. So I will add my coconut milk while the oil is getting hot, because the oil have to be very hot for you to start frying your fish. That way the fish won't stick to the pot. And I'm using Grace coconut milk. Nice and rich. I'll just try the oil to see if the oil is really hot. I think it needs more heat. So now I will put the fish in the frying pan. Beautiful. So while the fish is frying, I will just go ahead and prepare cut all the seasoning, the ground provision to put in the fish, as well as the ground provision to put in the rice and peas. So for the rice and peas, I'm gonna use pepper, thyme, and scallion. So I'll just drop this thyme in the pot. Pepper. Open that one because it's not hot. And then I'll add scallion. Give it a beat and then I'll chop it up. Scallion to the pot, or green onion. Some butter for the rice and peas. I did put a little salt in the rice and peas. When I put the peas on, I did put a little salt in it before. This is cinnamon powder. I'll grate a nutmeg. I'll grate nutmeg for the rice and peas. A lot of people don't know that you can put cinnamon and nutmeg in your rice and peas, but you can. It gives flavor to your rice and peas. Added flavor. So now the rice and peas come to a boil. I will check it. I know the peas is already cooked. Yes, it is. Then now I can add the rice to the rice and peas, to the water or the peas. And also the fish, it's coming along nicely. Not time as yet. In another 2-3 minutes, maybe 2 minutes, I will just turn the fish on the other side. Now I'll wash my rice. I'm using the parboiled brown rice. Then I'll add the rice to the pot. Add it. Now I'll check the fish and I will turn the fish on the other side. Give my fish a turn. As soon as the rice comes to a full boil, like it's boiling, I will turn it down and have it cook slowly so the rice don't burn before it cooks. So I'll just continue the cutting of the brown provision for the fish. So first I will do my Scotch bonnet pepper. Red bell pepper or sweet pepper. I'll also use a piece of yellow as well. Now I'll turn this down. scallion, some thyme, just put the thyme here, some garlic, and onion. Pepper. I also love to cook with ginger. Ginger is very good for your stomach as well, and it gives your pot flavor. And for health reasons, it's best for us to be always using ginger. And mash it a little. So now guys, the fish is all fried, so I'll move them from the frying pot. See? Beautiful. So I'm gonna be cooking the fish in the same pot, same oil, but because the oil is too much, I will remove some of the oil from the pot. Just need to go down a little bit more. So guys, look at it, frying nice. So now I will make some sauce with all of these ground provision that I have cut. I will make some nice juicy sauce for the fish. Not too peppery, but of course a little bit spicy. I will saute the ground provision a little bit before adding the fish. So there we have garlic, ginger, bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and some onion. So I have here some, I bought this one recently. It says Yardi fish fry. So I'm going to use this one as well. and some pimento grain and some assorted seasoning. So I'll just put all of these in one container. Stir these like that. I'll mash the pimento grain a little bit. Now I'll put some boiling water. Cover. I'll add some ketchup. This one is Grace meat and fish sauce. Some barberel. Needs more pepper. Now I'll add the fish to the sauce. Very nice looking. So while all of this is happening, I'll just do a small cleanup and then start making some vegetable, just a salad to go with the meal. So I'm making a side salad to go with the meal. So I'm just doing lettuce, carrot, and red cabbage. So I'll just go ahead and clean the carrot. So I'm just shredding the lettuce. I don't want to do too much purple cabbage because it steals the color. So everything turned purple when you use too much purple cabbage. So I am gonna fry a plantain because we all love plantain with our meal. Plantain is not only for breakfast, for dinner as well. This one is overripe. So guys, everything coming to an end right about now. So soon I'll be plating. Until getting nice and golden brown. Fish is done. Beautiful. Wow. And the rice is done. Here you have it guys, a nice brown stew fish with rice and peas and a salad and some fried plantain. Guys, please remember, like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Very good. Delicious and palatable. Very, very good.